Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to connect phone to phone by using AnyDesk. So guys, you will just have to install, of course, this application on both of your phones. And now we will go through a little small setup. Basically, we will just enable the settings and install a little bit of software. It's not going to be hard at all, and then we will connect. So guys, make sure on both of your phones to firstly go to the settings. All right, so you just go to the setup, okay, and now just as you can see, in general you have to have all of these check marks, the green check marks. Battery optimization, I would just don't really care about it, to be honest. It doesn't really do anything. Now guys, firstly install this plugin. So as you can see, I already downloaded. In your case, when you click on this, you'll be redirected to the Google Play page where you can install this plugin. After you download it, just press on activate, and in here we'll have to basically enable the accessibility permission, press agree, and in here, as you can see, downloaded services, AnyDesk, just enable this. Okay. And also guys, make sure to do this on both of your phones. All right, I will actually check this from my phone as well. So setup. Okay, let me see. Okay, I need to consent, agree, and activate. Agree. Accessibility. Oh, downloaded apps, and now AnyDesk, and enable. Okay, just press this, just wait 10 seconds, accept all of this stuff, so let it just wait. Okay, now press OK, and this should be ready. Yeah, plugin is enabled. Okay, good. Right, now overlay as well, let us enable this. Okay, AnyDesk and enable. Okay. Now the essential stuff is done. You can also enable the microphone if you want. Right, and now guys, after setting everything up, let us go back on my emulator. I'm using the emulator guys to show you that I'm doing this on both phones. And now to connect, I'm just going to connect to my emulator on my PC by using its address. So let us just type it in. And now just press on connect. Okay, as you can see, now I am getting connected. I am aware of risks, don't show again, and let us wait for the accept button. And accept once again. Okay, as you can see, now we are connected. You can also see my phone. All right, in your other phone, press start now. And as you can see, I am now successfully connected. I can now operate my emulator. So for example, I can press on the buttons. I can't really reach it with my finger. Okay, so for some reason it doesn't work on the emulator, but I tested it on my friend's phone and it was perfect. So as you can see, it's connected, just some kind of maybe some kind of interference with the emulator. But in general, guys, this is your setup and this is your connection. Guys, it's very simple. If you enjoyed this tutorial, press like on the video, subscribe, and of course maybe tell us in the comment section which video you would like next, and I'll see you soon.